Parasite infections in humans are far more common than most of us think. From microscopic parasites to pinworms and even 10-meter-long tapeworms, I'll share the ultimate parasite cleanse protocol that is guaranteed to get rid of parasites in your body. First, how do you know if you have parasites? If you found that you have several parasite infection symptoms I mentioned in my previous video, symptoms like IBS, constant bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, unexplained weight loss, night sweats, any of those, or you've seen parasites in your stool, or you've done a parasite test and it came out positive, you'll want to stick until the end because I'll share everything from diet to supplements to help you get rid of parasites once and for all. I'll share the most comprehensive natural parasite cleanse protocol. While doing a parasite cleanse, you need to make sure you don't eat any undercooked meat or fish. You don't eat sushi. You clean your hands thoroughly after touching meat or fish or after touching your pets or going to the toilet. That's just common sense. And you need to focus on eating natural whole foods, including plenty of nuts, seeds, especially pumpkin seeds, as they kill parasites. Veggies and berries or other low-sugar fruits. Eat plenty of raw garlic. It's a natural antiparasitic. Make sure to eat 1 or 2 raw garlic cloves daily. Also, it's a good idea to reduce sugar, dairy, and pork while doing a parasite cleanse. And of course, you need to stay well hydrated. Now let's look into the supplements needed for killing parasites, destroying their eggs, and all the toxins they release. I'll share the most comprehensive parasite cleanse protocol that has lots of success stories, where people share how they got rid of all sorts of parasites, so make sure to watch until the end. For a successful parasite cleanse protocol, it's essential to incorporate key elements, like bitter plant extracts, which work to paralyze and eliminate parasites, a gut scrubber to capture and remove unwanted elements from the digestive tract, and binders that help capture and remove toxins from the body. A powerful synergistic herbal blend that is proven to work is needed. You need to target parasites at all different stages of their life cycle, from eggs, cysts, to full-grown parasites, targeting them in all different locations they can be hiding, in the gut, the blood, the lungs, the brain, and the liver. Once the mother parasite is killed, it can send a signal for all the eggs to hatch, so it's important to match the timing well and destroy all of the parasites, their eggs, cysts, and the toxins they release when they die. You can find tons of different parasite cleanse products online, different formulas, all promising to remove parasites, but you have to be very careful. Most products out there won't get you any results. If not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money and getting a strong reaction from a high toxin load from dead parasites. My friend who I mentioned in my previous video about parasite infection symptoms, who threw up parasites, has tried all the different products he could find, but he wasn't really following a comprehensive protocol. It didn't really help him much. He would get severe side effects like painful loud belly, difficulty sleeping, night sweats and nightmares, dizziness, as if dying parasites were causing nightmares. Firstly, any parasite cleanse or detox can be pretty harsh on the body. That's why you need a powerful synergistic herbal blend and binders to make it as smooth as possible. Sometimes you could start a protocol, but simply wouldn't be able to continue because you experience too many side effects. It's important to choose a carefully crafted formula that has been extensively tested, can deliver the results, which is eliminating parasites, with the least side effects possible. Something that deals with all the nasty toxins released by parasites and peacefully kills them and helps your body excrete them. The Para Kit from Cellcore Biosciences combines all of these crucial components, including herbs like Mimosa pudica, black walnut hull, and clove bud, along with powerful binders like humic and fulvic acid to effectively support the body's natural detoxification processes. What is the Para Kit? The Para Kit from Cellcore Biosciences is a comprehensive parasite cleanse protocol designed to support your body's natural detoxification processes, kill parasites, all the eggs, the cysts, and get rid of the toxins. The protocol should be followed during the full moon. It's aligned to the life cycle and activity of parasites. The full moon phase is when parasites are the most active, making it the ideal time to target them. The kit includes 4 key supplements. Para 1 contains Mimosa pudica seeds. Mimosa pudica seeds become jelly-like and sticky in the digestive tract, scrubbing the gut and capturing unwanted elements. This cleans your colon and helps to capture and excrete parasites and any other toxic materials. Para 2 contains Cutaja, Vidanja, and Neem, Triphala, and Clove. These herbs work together to support the body's natural ability to detoxify and kill parasites. Para 3 contains thyme, sage, tansy, holy basil, wormwood, black walnut hulls, and clove. This product contains biomolecular oxygen to absorb quickly, even before it reaches the digestive tract. It's designed to absorb deep into tissues to address pathogens other products can't. Para 3 is the most important part of this parasite cleanse. Each herb in Para 3 has a specific role in weakening, paralyzing, and eliminating parasites, while also supporting the liver and immune system. And Biotoxin Binder contains humic acid, polyelectrolytes of fulvic acid, polysaccharides of fulvic acid. Throughout the cleanse, taking the biotoxin binder helps your body bind and eliminate toxins released during the detoxification process. This helps to prevent those harsh detox reactions. Also, the Para 2 and the biotoxin binder are formulated with carbon technology, a proprietary blend of fulvic acid and polysaccharides that support the cellular repair and the body's natural ability to detoxify. It also protects the ingredients from being digested by stomach acids, so they can reach the desired location intact. Para Kit is a really unique and well-formulated product. It is really easy to use the Para Kit. You get a leaflet that explains when to take the supplements and the dosage. You simply take the supplements as shown in the leaflet. The Para Kit's multi-phased approach ensures that your body is thoroughly cleansed of parasites and their toxic byproducts. Each ingredient has been carefully selected to target different aspects of parasite elimination and support overall health. By removing the burden of parasites and their toxins, the Para Kit helps restore your energy levels and overall vitality, allowing you to feel your best. Where can you order the Cellcore Biosciences Para Kit? I'll leave the links and practitioner invite codes for the UK and the global site for the rest of the world, where you can order your Para Kit. You'll get a 5% discount when using my invite code during registration. You'll have to create an account using my invite code. I'm actually doing the Parasite Cleanse with Para Kit right now, as the full moon is coming. I've been having some digestive issues recently. It feels great. I have more energy already. And it's really easy to use. I wish you a successful recovery. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.